Now it's Desna's turn. Again, we're at Toledo's finest, Shaggy Chic, a dog salon. And this is the owner, Kimmy, taking care of one of her favorites. She's also the girl's godmother. She actually looks happy while you're doing it.
She's really good.
I mean, she looks like she's having a good time.
She does really good. And then she used to be really good about her nails too, but she don't like it anymore.
That's because we went to Linda's, and it was not a good experience for her. I think we can get her back in, to being good about it. It's just going to take us a little time. Yeah, one time going there, oh my God.